There's something magical about mangoes, the sweetness, the fragrance, the sunshine they carry with them. Today we are turning that magic into a soft, fluffy mango cake that melts in your mouth. We begin with the base, the sponge. 6 egg whites whipped until soft peaks are formed like little clouds in the bowl. Slowly we rain in sugar, watching those peaks turn glossy. Then comes the golden yolks, rich and creamy, bringing balance. A splash of oil, a touch of essence, mango or vanilla, whatever your heart desires. Now for the dry mix, flour and baking powder sifted in gently like snow falling into sunshine. We mix together, never rushing, just enough to bring it all together. A final swirl of milk and our silky batter is ready to rest in its tin. We're using a 9-inch baking tin. A tap to release the bubbles, and into the oven it goes where the magic happens. Bake until a toothpick comes out clean. Once the cake cools completely, trim off the crumbs and slice it into 3 equal layers. While the cake rests, let's prepare the cream. Whip chilled heavy cream with sugar until the stiff peaks are formed. Now we add in the mango pulp and mix it to make it creamy, fruity and ready to chill. We'll also make a quick soak mango pulp mixed with cold milk. This keeps the sponge moist and flavorful. Now it's time to assemble. Soft sponge, creamy mango filling and repeat, layer after layer of sunshine and sweetness. Decorated just the way you love. Simple swirls, fresh slices of mango or a touch of elegance with cream rosettes. After a gentle rest in the fridge, the cake sets beautifully, rich, moist, full of mango bliss. And there it is, your perfect melt-in-the-mouth mango cake, a treat for the eyes and delight for the soul. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to try this recipe and share your experience. Until next time, this is Yum Space signing off with sweetness.